Good morning, student. This is exercise 7.3. In this exercise, we will study some more criteria for the congruence triangle. Some more criteria for congruence triangle. Congruence triangle. We already learned the criteria. First one is the ASA and second one is the SAS. Then these two theorem we already proved, and after that angle opposite to equal side of an isosceles triangle are equal, proved. Now some more criteria for the congruency, like the triple S congruency rule, third one, triple S. So today I will discuss the triple S and one more, that is the RHS. Fourth one, RH and S. So today I will discuss these two congruency rule. So what is the statement of the triple S congruency rule? Triple S congruence rule. Theorem. If three sides of one triangle are equal to, if three sides of one triangle are equal to three sides of another triangle equal to the three sides of another triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. Then the two triangles are congruent. This is the theorem. See once more the statement: if three sides of one triangles are equal to the three sides of another triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. This is the statement of the theorem. This theorem can be proved with the help of suitable construction. We already learned the side angles, side congruency rule. To prove this theorem, firstly what is given in the theorem? So right here firstly given. What is given? If three sides of one triangle are equal to the three sides of another triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. Dear student, here A, B, C and one more triangle, it is P, Q, R. And it is given that AB equal to PQ, BC equal to QR and AC equal to PR. And need to prove that, to prove triangle ABC congruence triangle PQR. Dear student, to prove this theorem, we construct two right angle triangle with hypotenuse equal to 5 centimeter and one side is equal to the 4 centimeter. And cut them. Outplace one triangle over the other triangle, equal side placed to the equal other. Turn the triangle, it is necessary. What do you observe, dear student, to prove this theorem? First of all, we have drawn a triangle proof. First of all, we draw an triangle A, B, C. We construct a triangle ABC such that AC equal to 5 centimeter, BC equal to 4 centimeter and angle B equal to 90 degree. And cut them and place the triangle over the other with equal side, like this is the P, Q, R, and we put this is also 5 centimeter, this is also 5 centimeter, it is 4 centimeter, it is also 4 centimeter. When we place triangle ABC over the triangle PQR, you will find that triangle ABC exactly cover the triangle PQR. When two figures completely overlap to each other. What is the meaning of this? Both figures are the congruent. If the triangle ABC completely cover the PQR, means we will find AB equal to 3 centimeter, PQ equal to also 3 centimeter. In that case, we can say that triangle ABC congruence triangle PQR. This is the proof of the theorem. After that, one more theorem, that is the RHS congruence rule. See, what is this? RHS congruence rule. The statement if in two right triangle the hypotenuse and one side of the triangle are equal to the hypotenuse and one side of the other triangle, then the two triangle are the congruent. Right angle, hypotenuse and side. RHS means right angle, R for right angle, H for hypotenuse and equal to side. If so, what is the statement of this theorem? In a two right angle triangle, the hypotenuse and one side of the triangle is equal to the hypotenuse and one side of the triangle is equal to the other triangle, then the two triangle are the congruent. Dear student, on the basis of these two concepts, we can solve the exercise 7.3. So, first of all, you have to try to prove, try to learn the concept of this theorem, that is the triple S congruence rule and RHS congruence rule. With the help of these two congruency rule, we can solve the exercise 7.3. In this exercise, only 5 questions is there. In next class, I will explain the questions of this exercise, and after that, inequalities in a triangle, one more topic, but due to COVID-19, this portion is means inequalities in a triangle removed from your syllabus. So dear student, I will explain it orally. No need to do the exercise 7.45, and after that new chapter quadrilateral. Dear student, in this exercise, theorem is very important. In mathematics, theorem is considered as the formula. Without theorem, without concept, without definition, no one can solve the exercise. So, try to prove the theorem, learn the statement, definition. This make the question very easy. Thank you.